Hello, third graders. This is a brief tutorial on how to use Creately if you choose to use that to make your Venn diagram. Just a reminder that you can either use this website or download the Word document template that I've made that will also have a Venn diagram on it that you can use for your projects. So whichever you decide to use is fine, but I just wanted to show you how to use Creately in case you have never used it before. So to start, you're just going to go to creately.com. This is the URL up here. Go ahead and type that in and you should get to this home page. Then go ahead and click sign in, and I will provide you sign in information in class, but it does require an email and password, so you can get that from me in class. Go ahead and sign in, and then select to go to the Creately app. As it is loading, you'll start to see all of these different tools, and if you have created a project before on Creately, you will see your projects listed here. But we are going to go ahead and click on New Document. It's going to ask what we want to draw. In this drop-down menu, we're going to go until we find Venn diagrams and select that because that's what we want to use for our character perspectives. Then we're going to use a template, so go ahead and click on that. And I really like the blank Venn diagram template. It has a green and yellow circle. That's the appropriate image for us for this project, so I'm going to go ahead and click use for that one. And then we'll give it a name. And I'll just say that this is an example. And then I'll select that button to create, the green button at the bottom. And so here you see you have a blank Venn diagram, and you can rename your titles. So like I said online, I want them to be named I think for one side and they think for the other, because we're going to be comparing the character's perspective with our perspective. From here we can go ahead and type in the circles by going to the top and selecting this text button. This will allow us to insert a text box. So first you can insert one for your side, and then from here you can start typing whatever your perspective is. So you can go ahead and type whatever you need to here, and then you can do the same thing over on this side. So whatever you've decided that they think a part of your Venn diagram is. You can also add a text box for the middle section because you'll want to include the similarities between your perspective and your character's perspective. So you will want to include that part as well. So of course this is just an example, and yours would have a lot more text. But once you have completed your Venn diagram, you're going to go ahead and select Export. And we're going to choose Export as Image. Then you'll have these options, and you'll want to select JPEG at the very bottom, and then Export. Click Save once it has been completed, and then you can rename it if you want to, and then go ahead and save it to your documents or desktop, wherever you like, so that you can easily access it to upload it to our discussion board to share with others. Alright, boys and girls, as always, let me know if you have any questions.